Welcome to Drone Wars. If you're wondering what Drone Wars is, well, let Adam explain for you.
Okay, we're going to use budget versus premium. So I've got the Ruko U11 Pro, and this is currently £200, 4K camera, 277 grams, and what have you got?
I've got the DJI Mini 3, 250 grams. I think this is currently retailing, what, $650-ish on sale, with the nice controller and the Fly More kit. So grab yourself a bargain there, because I got this 6 months ago for £1,000. Yeah, so it's gone down a bit.
We would expect this to smash this one, but we'll see. Let's get it on!
So we've got a series of challenges coming up to test out the capabilities of these two drones. Hopefully it should be a good laugh.
One's got to be a drag race, and we'll do maneuverability, photos, videos.
Yeah, distance. Well, no, maybe we won't do distance actually. Scrap that one. And then we're going to do like a little drone wars. Little like bumper cars with drones.
Try not to bump. Okay, so the Ruko U11 Pro comes with 2 batteries. One's inside there already. It's supposed to be a running time of about 56 minutes, which is quite a lot, I think. It doesn't come with an SD card, so I had to buy this myself. And it'll only take up to 32 gigabytes maximum.
So this is the DJI Mini 3. It's got lots of sensors on it, as you can see. So it's got backward sensors, it's got downward sensors, it's got the front sensors obviously. So the only one that it hasn't got is the side-to-side sensor, so you can still fly into things from the side. But to be fair, it does pretty well, it will warn you.
The only one I've got sensor-wise on mine is that. It's just the single one there. For when you're landing.
This, with the Fly More kit, comes with 3 batteries. I've got one at home because it had run out of battery. So yeah, so you get 3 batteries that you can charge up all together. I'll put the runtime on the screen for you. It requires 2 SD cards, one in the drone, that's the one that you really do need, and then you can put one in this rather lovely looking handset in there. And yes, when I first got my drone, I didn't know what the controls were, so I ended up putting stickers on it, which does actually help, so I recommend that.
Now this could be one it wins out here, because it comes with this. So if you're confused, it's all on there ready for you. I mean, I suppose you could stick that on there permanently if you wanted.
One obvious difference between these controllers is this has got a beautiful screen. Is it LCD or LED?
Probably LED, I think, yeah. And what I have to do with this one is attach mobile phone. So your first person view will come on this. So this is already connected, and I'm struggling to work this out at the minute. Sometimes you need to spin these ones. Nope. Right, I turned the drone on first and then that, so I'm going to try this first. And then this. That makes a difference. Ah, right. You've got to connect the Wi-Fi to it. That's right. Okay, there it is. Should just do it when it turns on. Well, it's making a different flashy thing now. Right. This just took me about 15 minutes to get going. Not sure why I didn't want to connect to everything. And when I got everything just so, the motors kicked in. So I think the first point goes to the Mavic Mini for that. Okay.
So another difference that I've spotted is the cameras. Now obviously, yes, it's a different camera, but just look at the range of movement that this is going to have. I'm not going to force it, but that's not going to be able to look upwards. whereas the DJI pretty much does. It's not quite, but it does have a huge range of movement there. So yeah, that's the first big difference I've noticed on the camera. Don't know the difference in quality.
Yeah, there's no gimbal on the cheaper one, but yeah, just it does go up and down.
Right, yeah, there's no gimbal on it either, is there? So it won't be as stable in the wind.
Yeah.
Interesting. Alright, let's get these up in the air.
Come on in. It's definitely more animated, isn't it?
Yeah, where's it going? Okay.
It's not bad though, but, you know, the price.
Look!
Yeah.
It's all over the shop.
I'm not touching the controls right now. Ready?
1, 2, 3, go!
Oh. You are flying ahead. I can't.
I know, yeah. Wrong way!
I've lost control of mine. It's returning to home and it's taking over the controls. I can't do anything.
Can you not cancel it?
Oh wait. Ah, okay. So you could press the return to home again and it cuts it off. Normally you just press the controls and that stops it, but on this you have to press that. So it took off from there and it returned to home there on its own. It's not far away, is it?
It's alright.
When the arms got a bit twisted then, it didn't hit anything, so I don't know if just because I had it going too fast. I'll try it again. I've only got 23% battery left now. What have you got?
Full battery and 3/4 on that.
Okay. Show off. Try and get the tree back again.
Yep. Go!
Go!
That was a lot quicker, isn't it?
Yeah.
What's the next test then?
Well, I'm gonna have to change my battery now. So my battery is now showing I needed to change it. It's 19%. You're still on your first. 3/4 are showing.
Yeah. It's got quite a long flight time left still.
Right, so I'm connected now. It kicked me out with the Wi-Fi and I've gone back in. There we go. So we're going to see how fast we can go straight up now.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. It's faster. It's definitely faster. Yours has got double the height now, isn't it? Oh, it's faster. It's definitely faster. Coming down. Yours is about double the height now, isn't it?
Oh, that's like spinning. How quickly does it rotate then?
Okay, do the spin down.
Spin test? 1, 2, 3.
Straight. There we go.
That's pretty good on the rotate. That's alright. A little bit off, not quite on the spot, but pretty good.
It looks a lot more smooth, this.
Ah, can't get you.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty good, isn't it?
It's good fun, I guess.
I'm going to give him a 5-second head start and I'll see if I can catch him.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to get ya! Pow, 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 pow!
I think I'm managing to keep away from you.
That's because I'm really crap at flying.
That was close. That's one way to start. It didn't win a lot of the challenges, but it wins on price. It's only £200. I would get this drone if I wanted to have some fun. Fly around. It was great fun just looping around, going through the fields here. Camera quality is not amazing, but like I say, £200, you can have a lot of fun with it.
What do I like about the DJI Mini 3 Pro? It's just an awesome bit of kit. I mean, yes, it's expensive, but you know, it's extremely maneuverable, it's reliable, it's stable, it handles the wind really well, the camera's brilliant on it, the screen's great. There's not really a lot that I would say needs to be improved about it, to be fair, you know, and it's sub 250 grams as well, so I think there's a difference in the law, isn't there, when you go over 250 grams in terms of where you can and can't fly it. So I think that would be a bit of feedback for Ruko, is shave 25 grams or so off that rate, certainly for the UK market anyway. That would help the leisure users. Yeah, hope you've enjoyed this little drone wars video.
Different way to review a drone. It was a good laugh.
Yeah, let us know what you think in the comments. Don't forget, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more videos.
Oh yeah, if you do want to find out more about the Ruko U11, I got a separate video how to fire it up and stuff, get it going.
Yeah, you might need that.
Right, ta-da.
Bye.